Good day mga ka-trader natin at saka mga ka-hamster natin dyan, no? Mga ka-tap-tap. So yun na nga, nag-release na nga ng official announcement and it is confirmed na yung profit, yung airdrop is based on profit per hour. So, ayun, airdrop alert na natin yan ha. That's why, ito nakikita niyo profit per hour ko, that's 1.4M. And syempre, ito yung announcement nila. Sabi dito, airdrop will depend on the profit per hour and some other activity parameters that we will reveal later. Not the coin balance. So, it's very clear mga katap-tap guys or mga ka-hamster dyan na need to build up our PPH or profit per hour in order for us later or sooner na magkaroon tayo ng airdrops. Hindi yung coins na makukuha natin. Gaya ng sinabi ng previous content ko or videos ko na yung coins natin later hindi yan magagamit but only intended for the upgrades to build up your PPH. So, yun lang guys, no. So, ito lang, bigyan ko kayo ng tips paano nyo i-build up yung PPH nyo. By the way, this is my PPH or profit per hour ko nasa 1.4M and nagiging 4,000 tayo at overall population ng hamster. I don't know, marami din mga Pinoy dyan na nasa 1,000 or baka 100, top 100. But tinignan ko tong top 10, so far mga foreigner to lahat. And ayun, so ito lang, building tips natin guys, no? Tips number 1, collect coins. Don't miss any chances to collect coins, whatever strategy you have. Importante, i-collect mong coins per hour. Lahat na pwede mong gawin na pwede ka makapag-collect ng coins. And upgrade cards wisely. So ito, maraming cards dyan na pwede mong i-upgrade. But make sure na yung mga cards na i-upgrades mo is yung cost is worth it sa PPH na ibibigay niya. But always prioritize cards with high PPH or high profit per hour. Yung pinaka-importante. And sooner magbigay na ako ng guides ano yung mga cards na dapat nyo i-upgrades. And don't forget sumali dito sa Daily Combo and Cypher. Ito tips number 3. Dapat sumali kayo dito. Kasi malaking bigayan to kahit na lang doon sa combo cards, yung ini-upgrade nyo doon, mababawi doon sa rewards, di ba? So, importante yan. So, ito yung tips na pwede nyo, screenshot nyo to, at saka pwede nyo tong gagamitin. And, of course, guys, if you need some tips, guides, ito, meron akong private group dito sa Telegram. You can join. Pwede kayo mag-ask dito. Dito na ako nagbibigay ng mga daily combos guys and also yung daily cipher natin. So, sali kayo, join kayo dito. Andyan lang sa bio ko yung link. Ang name doon is Telegram private group. Then may logo siya ng hamster. So, ayan. So, kita-kits tayo ulit, no? So, good luck everybody.